Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to 3D rotate an image in Photoshop step by step. I already opened to this Photoshop, then open image, double click unlock to this lock image, then zoom out, press Ctrl T on your keyboard, hold shift, resize, fix size, then go to edit tab, transform perspective, then click anywhere, move, and again right click on your mouse, this key, again right click on your mouse, distort, again right click on your mouse, warp. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.